Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a burnt orange brown in that scheme type of look today. So let's get started. As always, I'm going to start off with a primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Don't love this primer because it comes in a pot, so you either have to use your fingers or a brush, but I'm using it. Everyone on YouTube seems to love it, but me, not so much. So now that I've semi-blended that in, I'm going to go with my usual combo of the L'Oreal concealer and Milani and just put that on the eyes or under the eyes. Go with the e.l.f. powder, but this time I am actually going to use the Fenty Beauty powder, which is just a cream color. I think it's meant to be a blotting color, but it's a blotting powder, and it's universal. I don't super love it in the sense that it does provide this white sheen over it, but I've had it for a bit and I'm willing to give it another shot. See how you gotta really make sure it's blended in there, obviously. And then I'm just gonna hit it with, of course, the Smashbox Primer Water, and just spray that all over my face. I didn't even spray it the first time. Okay, let's try that again. Hopefully felt like some of that went on my face. Now I'm, as usual, going to use the Bare Minerals Desert. Oh, I can't talk today. Okay, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Desert Bloom Gen Nude Mini Blush Trio. And I'm going to use the color, that peach though, to really emphasize the orangey look that I'm trying to go for today. It's not really showing up. It doesn't look like it's showing up anyways, but in real life it's there. And it's just this light peachy color. And now I think I want to move on to the eyes. So I have a couple palettes in front of me. I have the Milani one, the Wet n Wild. This is in the called Comfort Zone. The Rose Gold Sunset e.l.f. palette, and also, oh, it's full of blush right now. The Marc Jacobs, what is this called? The Starlit Style Icon number 7 Plush Shadow, and it comes with all these amazing colors. And I'm thinking I want to take a color maybe from the e.l.f. palette, maybe this one, go in with the browns, and then work my way up into the oranges. So let's do that. I'm going to take a angled, it looks dirty, but a angled shadow brush and just sweep my brush into the color, this color here that doesn't have a name, in the Rose Gold Sunset e.l.f. palette. And I just want to work my way in the crease. And actually what I want to do is bring a little bit, because it's angled, bring a little bit out to where my eyebrow is. And don't worry, I'll clean it up a little bit after. But just kind of make the startings of almost a cat eye. I think I just want to take the transition color in here and just sweep it through. Just make sure everything is beautifully blended. And then I'm going to take the Milani palette, and this has a name. This is called number 5 Earthy Elements, and I'm going to use this burnt orange color here, and I'm going to just take a densely packed brush and just put it on my eyelids. And I know what you guys are thinking. You look insane, but work in progress. Okay, so I'm gonna take my angled brush and go into that transition color that was from the Wet n Wild palette. Dust that baby off so we don't need any more excess, and just sweep it through the crease just to make sure everything is blended and looking nice from the top point. Now what I want to do is I want to take either, there's this beautiful orange color here in the Sunset Elf palette, but there's also this gorgeous kind of coppery, here you go, this gorgeous coppery color in here, and I think I just might take that and take it with my ring finger. Oh, see, isn't that so pretty? And just apply it just in the center of my eyelid. Oh, no, I lied. I'm going to take it. Yeah, that looks cool. Better than it was before. I mean, it still looks insane, but we'll clean that up. And now, what I want to do is take some of the browns. So there is a brown in here too. There is this one, but I think it might be too shimmery. So what I might actually do is just, I think it needs some, like a darkness to really ground the eye look in so it doesn't look so strange. And maybe this color, or obviously we're going to go back into this palette. There's these colors at the end. I might end up using that color. I think that's what I'll do. And I'll be using just a small, this is called an accent brush, but just a tiny brush that will help me go through the lash line. Then what I'm going to do is take the brown color in here and take a angled brush and just create a small tiny cat eye here and a cat liner there. To brighten up kind of that there's oranges that's left there. I'm just going to take a champagne color from the Wet n Wild palette and just brighten up and lighten up the eyes in the corner. I know what you're saying. Everything looks like a little bit of a mess. So to clean it up, I'm just going to use a tapered concealer brush and just your normal concealer. Because it's on the high points of my face, I'm just going to use my lighter concealer. Take it. Oh, that's a little bit too much. And lastly, I'm just going to do mascara, and I should be good. For the lips, what I actually really want to do is just take a normal, like an orange. Oh, I'm going to take the Sunset Rose Gold and apply that on my finger and pat that on my lips. Take the Morphe Berry Blast Lip Gloss from the Jeffree Star collection. And just actually made my own orange lip gloss. So that is the look. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down whether you would wear this look, something as orangey as this. It's a little out of most people's comfort zone, but that's okay. And did you guys know about this kind of trick? I used to do it a lot in high school. If I didn't have a color that I liked, I would just use eyeshadow and slap it on my lips, and there, I had the official new color. But I will see you guys later. Bye!